What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome to License Specific. So today we're gonna still working on 2004 Infiniti G35 Coupe. So how you see the previous video, we working on the car, we have a Misfire in the engine. Pretty much I have like P300, so pretty much like all Misfire. So I changed the spark plugs, I found the spark plugs really bad, and when I put everything back to the place, I got cylinder 6 Misfire, meaning is the coil is bad. So I put a good coil, brand new one, the rest from AutoZone. But I keep having the same problem again. I don't know what's going on. And so what's happened, I did change the spark plugs, but I don't know what's going on. So I show you what the trick was, the problem, and stay with me guys, I'll show you. So guys, the problem is the spark plug, the coil, the one I put on the car is from AutoZone. This is aftermarket one. Most people say it's fine, it work, but I've been trying and put it in the test. This is garbage. Yeah, this is garbage. So I did get this one. This is NGK, the high quality parts. This is the same like a dealer parts. So I've been putting in the car now. Or still in the video I'll show you how to change it, how you can test it, and how you gonna see the difference, if it is some code or not. Yeah, this is international parts, so it's good quality. So I've been using on the car right now. And you see, stay with me guys, let's show you what's going on. So first thing we need tools. I have a speed wrench. This has 10mm and 8mm. I gotta use 8mm. I need the magnets. I need the ratchets, extension, and number 10 sockets. These are the tools we need. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna go to negative battery and disconnect it. Disconnect the battery. So get the extension, open the intake manifold, loose it, and unplug the airflow sensor. Okay, and loose the screw here. And the hose. Second thing you do, you need to get your ratchet to extension, and you have to come in over here. So this side here you have a screw, you have a bracket. As you can see, these are brackets here. You have to loose it with 10mm. Okay. Go by finger. Yeah, there is no room for this one. This one have to be careful when we do it. Okay, we got it. Second thing what I do, push this one everything back to the sides, and we gotta reach the plug for the coil. Here we go. We lose the coil. Lose the coil. you go. Put it on the sides. And like that you can get the coil. Like that. Unplug it. There you go. There you go, got the coil. This is brand new coil. This is from AutoZone. But it doesn't work how it's supposed to be. Let me put NGK and see what's going on. Okay, this is the NGK. Look at the camera. Okay, this is the NGK. See the difference? Oh yeah, big difference. Like this one, the spring on sides is down. This one is already down here. It's like the big difference. It's not the same parts. Hopefully this one works fine. So pretty much we gotta get the coil, and I'll show you guys what we gotta do now. So we got the coil back to the place, and let me unplug it too before I put it in there. Like that we keep have more room. Let me put the camera. There we go. Yes, sir. That's weird. Now we put the bracket back. So pretty much, guys, we're installing the cold intake already. We put the coil. We put the old one, the filter in there. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna unplug the battery back. Put the battery back and tied it. Okay, tied the battery. Okay, put the box back to the place. And this part here gotta go back to AutoZone. This okay, because the springs on sides of this one sprays is really short, and the other one, the NGK, is tall, so more contacts. So it's big difference gonna be. Let's put everything back. Yeah, this return. Always, guys, like most Infiniti or Genesis or the we call the Toyota or Lexus, those cars require always high performance parts, OEM. So this is why I think the car, this one doesn't work, because I see a lot of video guys, they keep looking for a good quality coil, and the NGK is the behind the factory parts is the OEM, the second OEM, but you have other parts really bad, guys. So we're gonna see now, see what's going on. We'll start in the car and check the code, and we'll see the difference. Stay with me, guys, we'll show you everything. Okay, guys, this is the end of the video. Please like and share and subscribe if you like the video. So we'll put in a test for this one, this part here. Put in a test. This is garbage. Yeah, I never use them. When you have Infiniti, you want a high performance parts, never use this shit. This is garbage. Don't use this one, it's gonna make you turn. And use always NGK, because I put spark plugs NGK, high performance, double plug them, so I get down when I put in the back, and this is really good, and the car ran again better. So the difference between them, this one has the insides, the coil has the spring longer, the other one has shorts, it's like no contacts. So this why in my car and the Infiniti, it has all the parts like OEM one, made in Japan, not made in China. This why, guys, always puts a good stuff in the car, and then the car lasts forever. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you for another tricks.